Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. This just arrived on my doorstep. I know it's a Be Happy box, but I haven't looked in it yet. All I did was open the box so you wouldn't see my address. I see a little bit of pink here. I'm really excited. I have no idea what this is. So if you'd like to see my first reactions, keep watching. Okay, I am super excited because a couple of my friends got this already and I heard that they love it. They're really excited about it and I don't know. Nobody's shared spoilers with me, so. Have a grateful heart. Are you kidding me? I think this was made for me. Just saying. You know I love gratitude. Okay, this is sealed shut. So I'm just gonna open it up. As of the time of this filming, I don't know the exact release date or even what this is. I do know it's sometime in October, but I will put all the information in the description box below. And if you could please use my affiliate link, I'll put that down there as well. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Happy and grateful, silver. Oh my gosh, I see so much pink, like blush, not really pink, blush. I get so excited when I receive these boxes, especially if I don't know what it is. Okay, be your own kind of happy. Live a life of gratitude. Oh my gosh. In this box, you'll find the tools to guide you to live a happier life of growth, gratitude, and self-love. I love this. I'm not gonna show you what, you probably looked. I'm not gonna show you what it is. I love that they made a gratitude box. You guys, how cool is that? I'm really excited. Let's just look at things one at a time. I don't know. What is this? Let's see. Okay, this is a binder clip and push pin set. Ooh, really pretty with silver. A bunch of each. Bumble says, play with me now, mama. But I'm opening my Be Happy box, Bumble. You don't understand how important this is to me. Okay, I gotta go play with her. I can't even look at the rest until I actually run her in the yard really, really hard so that she won't bug me while I open this. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I ran her for a really long time, so hopefully I can at least complete this video in peace, hopefully. Okay, so we have some sticky notes. They say happy and grateful on the side, and they have these cute little quotations. I think that's super cute. I'm not gonna open that. We really don't need to. Okay, let's see what's next. Some washi tape. You guys know I love washi. You know I love washi. That is no secret. Oh, grid washi, you guys. The Happy Planners never made grid washi, I don't think. So we have that one. Pink, love, love, love. I don't have any like true pink grid washi, I don't think. And look, this one is black with like little tiny polka dots. I love these basic patterns. And then this one is like numbers. Look at this. Look at that. That's kind of cool. They're like stylized. They have like the slash. Okay. Now we have a pen holder, and this looks like it is translucent. This and that. It has a black zipper. Really, really cute. Again, with that slash. It's kind of cool, kind of stylish, right? Whew, it was hot outside. I gotta take my sweatshirt off. I am roasting. Okay. So we have a die cut sticker here. Happiness, gratitude, and love. You guys, are you kidding me? Oh my God. Are you kidding me, you guys? Okay. You know, I'm a huge fan of the checklist stencil. I feel like this box was made for me. Do you think that Happy Planner
was like, we need to make Planning with Bumble a box all of our own. Do you think so? A checklist stencil. Seriously, unbelievable. Because I know they've been sold out on the Happy Planner website for a while. This is perfect, you guys. I use these in every single spread, as you know, if you watch my channel. If you don't, I use them in every single spread. One thing to mention about these is there is a film on them you have to peel off. You see that's a little wrinkly there? Otherwise, you're gonna get like, your lines are gonna be all messed up. So look. Whoops, I left some on the side there. So don't forget to peel that off if you get this. I'm looking down and I see a full-size sticker book. Really? About gratitude? Really? Happy Planner. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you. We're gonna look at that last. So we have a really cute pen loop here. And it's elastic. It's gonna go on your Happy Planner. And it says the Happy Planner. I'll take it out. I mean, you can see what it is, but why not? I'll take it out anyway. So there you go. It's a really pretty blush color. All of this is like not really pink, it's blush. With the exception of this is a little bit more pink, do you see? But it's really, really blush, all this stuff. And I love blush colored stuff. Happy and grateful. We're gonna wait to get to that. Oh my gosh, there's so much in this box. This is crazy. I don't know yet how much this is because I don't have any information on it yet because as of today, it is September 13th that I got this, so I really don't know what's happening with it yet. But again, all the information will be in the description box. Let me get this box away. By the way, how pretty is this box, this polka dot box? So cute. This is a guided journal. It says, take time for you, set goals, monitor progress, and reflect on your journey with guided prompts. So I'm assuming it's like a guided gratitude journal, but let's take a look at it. It's a gratitude layout. Seriously, this is amazing. This is amazing. As you know, I'm just going to give a little spiel here, but I've talked about gratitude in my previous videos. I've talked about how I practice gratitude every week in my planner. In all my planners really, except for maybe my work one. I talk about how practicing gratitude over the years has changed my life, and I am not being dramatic. I really, really mean that. It's helped change my mindset and tweak it in a slight way so that I can handle hard things a little bit easier. And so this makes my heart happy that Happy Planner is recognizing the importance of gratitude. Define your passion. It's very sleek, isn't it? This is a little, I don't know why this one's a little bit wrinkled. Do you see that? It's a little wrinkled. I'm sure yours won't come that way. I got a sample, so, you know. But look at this paper. Seriously, look at this paper. This is beautiful. We've got this blush color. It just says thoughts, make yourself proud over here. And it's like a dot grid. I don't know if you can see that, but it's what little white dots on this. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then here's spots for daily gratitude. So we have graph paper on every day, and then underneath we have lines on every day. So this is perfect. It says always practice reckless optimism and kindness. Okay, so what they've done is give you 16 days of gratitude in this section. So I'm assuming they want you to do 4 a week, which really makes sense because doing it every day is like something that is very hard to maintain. So I'm assuming they're thinking like 4 a week, but you can really date this however you want. It doesn't have to be like that. You can come in here whenever you want and do it, you know. And then look at this beautiful, this beautiful blush paper. By the way, these are plastic discs. I wish they were metal, but let's face it, there's a lot in this box, so I can see why they did the plastic discs. I'd rather have plastic discs and like other stuff than metal discs, because I can always put metal discs on here if I want. So they're divided into sections of 16 days. Okay. And then same thing. It keeps going. It keeps going. There's a lot here. Let me just show you this divider. Sorry. Happy and grateful. Peaceful. Here's this divider. Polka dots. And then this one says be present in the moment. Silver foil, but it's like matte foil. Inhale, exhale. And then in the back, we just have another sheet of note paper, plan a happy life. And then look at that design. It's just so like sophisticated and sleek and modern. I love it. Okay, so now we have, it looks like we've got some extras here. All right, so these are monthly pages, and then on the back is like just lines. And then down here we have a dot grid section to do whatever you want. Let's see. Okay, so these are all like that. I think that's amazing. I think that's really great. You can use these for whatever you need to. You can even put them in here. You can do what you want. My heart. Okay. I also don't know as of this filming if this will be available separately. It's because I know everyone always asks that, will the sticker book be available separately? I don't know. And also, like, at the time of posting this, I probably might still not know. Sometimes it's like a limited edition, like that Jewel Tone Boxes book, right? We never were able to buy that again. Sometimes it's always a limited edition, but sometimes it is available later and sometimes it's not. So your guess is as good as mine. If I do find that out, I'll let you know. But as of now, I don't know. Okay, so the first page, plan your dreams, balance is beautiful, happy and grateful. The future begins now. And then like just these beautiful neutral colors. We've got the black, we've got the blush, we've got like a taupe and a light tan or cream. Just gorgeous. And this is on clear paper. Happy and grateful, rest and relax, calm and peaceful, smile and laugh, inhale and exhale. Choose happy, smile often, all the things. And then these are on clear paper as well. We have some checklist stickers here, some tiny baby hexagons, which I already have ideas for. Like, I have things going through my mind how to use these because they're super cute. Gratitude list. Really? Thank you. Happy planner. New goals. Oh my gosh, these quotes are gorgeous. Embrace change, live in the moment, you are enough. Grateful, you can if you think you can. Choose gratitude. I love this. I love this. This is on clear. Then we have some silver foil clear stickers that say today, to do, note. The future begins now, this wonderful life. You are enough. Trust the timing of your life. These are still on clear. Good, happy, kind, bold, shine. And then like there's silver foil on it too. Look at these. These are so cute. Dream, believe, create, relax, begin, wonder, listen, explore, give, etc. They're beautiful. They're like on clear, but they're just really cute colors, right? So some more like header quote stickers here. Hello, beautiful day. Just start. Grateful. I can and I will. Look, more of these. There's so much I can do with them. I can't wait to use those. Okay, these are on paper. Life is beautiful. Fall in love with life. Enjoy the little things. Dream big. Every day's a gift. Oh, I love these. Because you guys know I love the grid. I love all grid things, right? These are on paper. And I love this size sticker. So that's perfect. And then we have remember, important, take note headers over here. Some big checklists. And some boxes here. Remember checklist. These boxes are kind of cool. Look at those. Love this. Love this. And look at these hexagons. Those are cool. Today I'm grateful for. I don't really love the arched boxes, but I do really like the oval ones for some reason. I don't know why. They're just like, they appeal to me. And I've said that before. Today I'm happy about. Look at these. Sophisticated happy planner. Thank you. Grown up, right? Today. I love these. Oh my gosh. And we have little squares. I'm a fan of squares. And these aren't like, these are perfect size. So they're not like the tiny ones, but they're not like the super big ones. They're perfect. They're perfect. Bumble's getting riled up again because I got excited. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Focus on the bright side of life. Ooh, these are pretty. And some checklist stickers over there. Come here. Bumble has joined the flip through. Okay, I just need her on my lap because she's driving me crazy. Sorry for the panting. It's not me, I swear. It's the dog. Thoughts to do today. Again, I'm not a fan of these, but you can always cut this bottom part off. You know what I mean? You don't have to keep that on if you don't want to, or you can. I know a lot of people do like these. Okay, got another page of those. I just love the colors. They're so neutral, which is perfect. You can either keep them like this or you can combine them with like some other color if you want. So these are on clear. They have little quotes. Spread some happy today. Take one step toward your dream today. The best is yet to come. Look at these. Are you kidding me? These are beautiful. They're a real good size too. They're a good size. They're not like, they're just a good size, let me say. Also for the big happy planner, you know. Gratitude checklist, and then some boxes over here. It keeps going. Bumble, stop panting. Note to self. More of these cute ones. I could do a whole spread of like tiny little hexagons. I love it. Okay, so here we have important weekly goals. Today, focus, relax, to do. More important weekly goals. Feeling so grateful for. I love it. I can see it in my journal already. And you get more of these beautiful boxes. Love that. I just love these colors lately. They speak to me. Noteworthy, don't forget, take note. And that is that. So beautiful. This is one of my favorite sticker books I have in my collection as of now, and I cannot wait to use it. I'm not gonna be able to use it until October because that's when this comes out, but let me show you everything again. I think Happy Planner knocked it out of the park with this one. I know I always say that, but like, this one is just so appealing to me. I can't even tell you how much I love this. I'm really excited about it. Oh wait, there's more. There's more. So, again, this is everything you get. This is everything you get. And it's a lot. I will leave all the information in the description box. And yes, I would appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link. That really helps me out a lot, you guys. And thank you guys for watching. And that's all I got for you. I'm just so excited about this one. I hope you are too. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And Bumble says, bye-bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.